Welcome to the unboxing of my Casio G-Shock, the metal Casioak GM-2100. For those of you who've been following my channel, you know I already own a Patek Philippe Calatrava, the 5196 in yellow gold, the stainless steel Audemars Piguet Royal Oak, and the original, the GA-2100 1A1, the watch that broke the internet. I was gifted this watch on a very special occasion by a very special person, and I'm going to do the unboxing. As I continue to do the unboxing, I have certain thoughts on this watch. This watch had a lot of hype, but post-release it didn't seem to break the internet like the original resin models did. However, to me, it still occupies a place as being an ultra cool G-Shock, while not being overly nerdy in its specifications. That being said, let's get to it. The box has all the information you'd need. Like all G-Shocks, it's water resistant to 20 bar or 200 meters. If you open the box, you'll find the user's guide. To those of us who've already had a 2100 series G-Shock, probably don't need this. The casing seems to be a little bigger and a little deeper than the resin model. It has, once again, all the specifications in the metal casing, or perhaps a plastic metal casing with the G-Shock logo prominently displayed. The international warranty card comes inside the box, and there's the watch wrapped in its plastic covering. There is the watch. First impressions. It seems a little easier to read than the GA series, the GA-2100 series, especially the 1A1. It is a beautiful looking watch. I'm not going to compare this to my Audemars Piguet Royal Oak. That's a watch that probably costs well over 100 times what this watch does. The band seems to be a higher quality than my original all resin model. Let me take it out of the protective plastic covering, which seems to be a G-Shock protective covering that is very difficult to get off. There you can see it. Certainly is a beautiful watch. I'm now going to try it on wrist. There you go. The watch seems to fit very similar to the GA-2100, but it seems to wear just a tad smaller. I'm not sure if that's just an optical illusion on my side with the metal framework around the watch. The strap, I can say, feels a lot better than the GA-2100. It's got this pattern dial on the strap That certainly is an upgrade over the plain strap of the GA-2100. I believe that it will probably wear a little bit better as well. The watch that I was gifted is, in my opinion, the new classic. The very simple steel looking version over the black resin straps. I believe this watch is going to be the flagship of this series, even though it costs the least of any of the other monotone watches. That is my review of the watch. I hope you continue to enjoy the channel with all the content I've been doing, including some new shorts documenting my horological history, as well as some of the travels I've been doing. Thank you again. I appreciate your support.